Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2021 blue metallic mini T camper van. This comes with an awning, over-the-air antenna, TV DVD player, max air fan, solar, dual house batteries. The vehicle itself has heated leather seats, navigation. All our conversions come with a shore power plug and cord and a hitch. In the back you find the thermostatically controlled refrigerator that can also be a freezer, LED lighting, sink, fresh water and gray water, microwave. Inside we have the couch that folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed. The advantage of the couch in the back is when you're watching TV or prepping food, you have a place to sit. Then when you're ready for bed, you just easily pull it out. Our conversions come with a foldable portable toilet. And this one also has the mid-vehicle overhead storage. Check out our inventory or give us a call, 507-382-9446, 651-285-7089. Our web address is www.dlm-distribution.com. Happy camping!